leaking, as you can see. Starting to rain a bit, but we got the old one out, and there's the bolt that holds it in, and the old wheel cylinder, and some anti-seize compound to put it back in. So that's what is going to happen. Well, it's raining, so I have to take a break for a while. One difference you may need to watch out for when swapping from the old wheel cylinder is the difference in spacing. Okay, this is much closer. The line and the bleeder are closer than they are on the old one, which means you actually have to take off that bleeder to get the wrench around the 11mm wrench around the fitting for the line. But that's pretty simple. That one you didn't have to take off because of the space being slightly wider. They're more towards the edges. So that's the only thing. But as I say, it's overcome. I think that's like a 7mm size on the bleeder. Okay, we've got the new wheel cylinder on. And the drum. So should be good to go. Putting the wheel back on. It's been raining a bit, but stopped for a bit. Okay, we got this back on. Just to let the and don't forget to top off the brake fluid in the master cylinder, which we did.